Sticky Fishy Fishing.
Yo, what up guys? This is Sticky Fishy Fishing. Just came down for a quick squid session. Let's flick around a few jigs, see if we can pick a few up. Just going to use this 2.5 pink squid jig. Let's get it out there and see if we can get a few. Just hooked up a squid, guys. First squid of the season. Oh, he's got friends too. Plenty of friends. Nice squid there. Beautiful squid. Nice squid there, guys. See if we can get some more. Yep, another one. Oh, this feels like a bit better squid. It's probably the one that was following the other one. He had a follower, so I say that to him. See if this one's got any more followers. Oh, yep. Oh, Jesus. There's a few squid down there. Few squid. There we go, guys. Another nice squid. Just taking on the pink jig there, with a bit of pell through it. It's two nice squid. See if we can get another. Oh, there he is, there's one chasing it. Yep, got him. I could just see him chasing up on it, eh? Squid are pretty thick at the moment. Oh, what was that? Oh, look at the size of that one chasing it. I just seen a big kingfish, guys. When this squid here that I caught spat the ink out, a big kingfish swam over and had a look at the ink. Huge kingy. Spewing I didn't bring me spin rod. There we go. Three nice squid there now, guys. See if we can get a couple more. Yeah, big kingies just out there. Went spinning this morning all morning too, and only got one bonito. Come in, there's kingies everywhere. Oh, there's a fairy penguin out there too. Oh, this is huge. This is a, oh, dropped him. That was a big squid I just had on there, and that was a monster. Thought I had a rock. Oh, as soon as it hit the water. As soon as it hit the water. Another squid on. It's pretty easy to get them today. You just chuck out, slow roll it in, and they're on. Must be just that time of year when the squid are on the chew. Definitely coming back down to Sarby and putting out a few live squid off here for kingfish. Another squiddy, guys, coming up. There we go there. Oh, but that was close. The jig just fell out of him. Almost lost that one. Oh, I might have to go get my keeper bag before I lose some of these. Just running that little pink jig there, guys. It's doing the job well today. 2.5 gram squid jig. 10-pound braid, 10-pound fluorocarbon leader. Doing the job nicely. Just hooked a little one right at the edge of the rocks. Just about to lift the jig out, and I'm on. Baby squid. So if he stays on. Another nice little squid there, guys. Oh, he's trying to bite me. Almost got bitten by that bird beak. You don't want one of these things to bite you. I reckon it'd hurt bad. Geez, the water's clear in here. So many pike down there. Oh yep. Got another little one. Exact same spot. Must be a few down there. Nice. See if we can get him up. Have a nice little squid coming up here. No, he's got inked. Another nice little squid there taking on the pink jig. Get him in the bag. I don't have a bucket, so I had to bring a bag and a cooler bag. I just filled the plastic bag with water. Does the trick. They should be alright in there. I'm not going to be down here long. It's gone a bit quiet now, guys. Caught them 6 squid. Haven't caught one for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. That's all over. Them squid are gone like last week's pay. But there's the jig that I used, guys. Done the job well. Alright, I'm out of here. There's the squid I got there, guys. 6 squid. A few nice size ones there. Just taking on that little pink jig. Awesome session. Yeah, what up guys? Just had a good session down here on the squid. Ended up picking up 6 squid, which weren't too bad. Bit of fun. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.
Sticky Fishing Station.